Sam Brown, though, does a good job and earns the throw-in. Zach Farnsworth to do the honors. Back to Ochoa, who started and spent quite a bit of the season with Real Salt Lake, Monarchs parent club. Good locomotive pressure. Andy Fox, Distel Zola trying to get a piece, but the able feet of Dayon Harris. Long ball out of the back. Omar Salgado trying to get there up the left. And
James Moberg just stepped in a couple of crucial moments in this first half already.
There's Yasso. Kind of skips up on Avila. Locomotive sensing an opportunity, but Locomotive FC. Robinson. Far post easily handled by Ochoa and a foul call.
You know, a different sense of peace than when you're away from home and having to, you know, deal with life as a footballer, like as Nick would say.
Farnsworth.
Pressuring them straight away. They can't play a ball in behind, and they're forced to play a difficult pass like that.
Farnsworth pops one. Trying to spring. Oh, flag stays down. Salgado running at the back line, gets around his man in tight, top of the box, and clipped over by Blake. It'll be another